This is the block diagram of Programmable Interrupt Controller, in short PIC. Its integrated circuit number is 8259. Single 8259 is capable to handle total 8 interrupts which are received on lines IR0 to IR7 of interrupt request register. Interrupt request register is 8-bit long. So on receiving interrupt request on either of these lines, the respective bits get set to 1 in interrupt request register. When more than one interrupts are requested, priority among them get resolved through priority resolver. Highest prioritized interrupt, respective interrupt request gets sent to microprocessor. In response of this interrupt request, microprocessor issues interrupt acknowledgement. On receiving interrupt acknowledgement corresponding to the interrupt request, the respective bit gets set to 1 in 8-bit long in service register. Interrupt mask register is also 8-bit long. The interrupt which is to be masked or which is to be disabled, the respective bit gets set to 1 in interrupt mask register. Coming to this data bus buffer, D0 to D7 8-bit long data bus is used for communicating with microprocessor. The related read-bar-write-bar signals are interpreted by read-write logic unit. A0 is the address line which is working in association with initialization command word and operation command word for decoding purpose. CS bar stands for chip select, which is active low. When it is connected to 0, this read-write logic get enabled. Then the remaining component of this block diagram is cascade buffer comparator. For master 8259, this cache 0, cache 1, cache 2 lines are outgoing one, which provides the ID of slave which is to be enabled. For slave, this cache 0, cache 1, cache 2, these lines are incoming one. SP bar, EN bar, this is the activation pin for cascaded buffer comparator. When it is 0, it indicates that 8259 is slave, and when it is 1, it indicates that 8259 is working in non-buffered mode. Single 8259 is capable to handle 8 interrupts. This interrupt handling capacity can be increased by cascading 8259s with master 8259. So at most, through IR0 to IR7, 8 8259s can be cascaded to single 8259 master, and with which the interrupt handling capability of 8259 can be expanded to 64.